You bumped Wilbur's head? Did you give him a kiss? Yeah. Good job. He's okay.
He's okay.
Why don't you tell him what to do? Tell him how to bounce. He doesn't know yet. Aw, that's nice. You're really nice to your brother. Good job, bud. You're getting it.
I threw that to the back burner.